I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard kheer at home easy guide. Start by gathering whole milk, custard powder, sugar, and a pinch of cardamom for aroma. Decide whether you want rice or vermicelli for texture, and cook those first until tender. Dissolve the custard powder in cold milk to prevent lumps, and keep your ingredients ready so the cooking step is smooth and relaxed. Warm the milk on medium-low and simmer gently, stirring often to prevent scorching and skin. Add your cooked rice or vermicelli and stir until the mixture becomes creamy and cohesive. Slowly whisk in the dissolved custard mixture while the milk is warm so it thickens evenly without clumping. Sweeten to taste with sugar and simmer briefly until the desired thickness develops, keeping the texture silky. Once the kheer has thickened, stir in chopped almonds or pistachios for a pleasant crunch and visual appeal. Add a pinch of ground cardamom or a few saffron strands dissolved in a little warm milk to elevate the aroma and color. Taste and adjust sweetness, then decide whether to serve warm for comfort or chill for a refreshing dessert. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator in a sealed container for a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.